Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS3750i. What I want to do is to show you how to reset this printer. You're going to reset the network, reconnect it to network, and also show you how to reset all. To reset this printer, you need to press this setup button to number 10. And also keep an eye on the phone. It's connected on the wireless network. So if you reset the printer will no longer be online. So we're going to press this to number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will show you 10. Then you need to select copy color or copy black to proceed. The printer will be highlighting. And also our mobile phone is showing us offline. So you need to wait. And it's showing us 0. What that means, the printer is no longer connected, and you can see it's showing us 0 on the screen and offline on the mobile phone. If you want to reconnect this printer, you need to press this button, setup button, for 3 seconds. Press and hold it. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. You wait and it will show you 2 lines. What that means, the printer is ready to be connected to a network. Now I want us to reconnect the printer to a network. So go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Open the app. Then select Add. I'm going to remove this printer. Add it again. Select Register. Searching for the printer. Select My printer cannot be found. You see a printer listed below? No. Then select Auto Connection. Does your printer have button like this? Then select Yes. To press this for 3 seconds, which you have done. Select and confirm. So wait for the printer to show on the screen. It will take about 3 minutes. So the printer is shown on the screen. Then select OK. Then select Next. Select Connect. It's processing. Once the printer is connected, this light will be steady, and also it will show you Wi-Fi reception. Connect to the network, then select Yes. So it picked up the network, communicating with the printer. The printer is connected, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. This is the printer. I'm going to register later. So this is the printer. To reset all settings, press this to number 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So press to number 17, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We'll show you 17 on the screen. Then select copy color or copy black to reset all. So the printer, keep an eye, the printer will be offline. So the printer is offline. We'll show you 0. So this is another method how to reset all settings. So that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer. This is how to reset the printer network, and also how to reset all settings so that you can go ahead and reconnect the printer. Thank you very much indeed. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.